Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Apple's most anticipated device ever, the iPhone Fold. After years of rumors and prototypes, we finally have fresh details about Apple's first foldable iPhone, from the display tech and design to its expected price and release date. So let's jump right in. Recent leaks suggest that Apple's first foldable iPhone, likely to be called the iPhone Fold, is currently being tested with an under-display selfie camera. According to new reports from Korea, the device will feature a cover display with a hole-punch camera, while the main inner display will hide the camera under the screen, just like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6. Interestingly, Apple's foldable will, not binary, include Face ID. Instead, it'll have a side-mounted Touch ID fingerprint sensor. The company is reportedly still fine-tuning the design and hardware, so the final specs could change before launch, which is rumored to happen in late 2026 or early 2027. Now about the display. Apple is said to be partnering closely with Samsung Display, which is building a dedicated production line for iPhone Fold OLED panels at its A3 plant in South Korea. This display will use Samsung's crease-free foldable technology, meaning the iPhone Fold's 7.8-inch screen could finally eliminate that annoying crease found in most foldables today. Reports also mention a liquid metal hinge, which should make the device both smoother to fold and more durable. As for materials, Apple might use a mix of titanium and aluminum for the frame, a first for any iPhone. The goal is to balance strength, weight, and cost efficiency. When folded, the iPhone Fold will be just 9 millimeters thick. And when open, it'll offer a 5.5-inch cover screen and a 7.8-inch main display. Samsung is estimated to produce up to 15 million OLED panels per year for Apple, enough to meet early demand. And let's talk price. Early estimates suggest the iPhone Fold could launch between $2,000 and $2,500, which is slightly higher than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7. So yeah, while it looks like Apple's first foldable iPhone is shaping up to be one of the most premium and futuristic devices we've ever seen. With Samsung's crease-free display tech, a titanium aluminum frame, and Apple's legendary build quality, the iPhone Fold might just redefine what a foldable phone can be. What do you guys think? Would you spend over $2,000 for Apple's first foldable iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Apple updates.